Hello everyone, welcome back to Ayan's tutorial. This is Rajesh Singh. In this video, you are going to know the love story of Mirabai. So watch this video from beginning to end without a skip. The great devotee of Sri Krishna, Mira was born in 1498 in a Rajput family of Rajasthan to Raja Ratan Singh and Bir Kumari. At the age of 4, she witnessed a wedding and asked her mother that who will be her groom. To this, her mother pointed to the idol of Sri Krishna and said, he will be her groom. From that moment onwards, Mira lost in the love of Sri Krishna. As she was growing up, she believed that Sri Krishna was going to marry her. The beautiful girl with a calm nature had a soothing voice and anyone could get lost in her singing. As she grew up, she was married to the son of Maharana Sangh of Mewar. Rana Sangh, although she didn't want to marry, as she considered Sri Krishna to be her husband, but she married on her family's insistence. Even after she was married, her love for Krishna didn't diminish and she also took her Krishna idol with her to her husband's house. Mira started visiting Sri Krishna's temple daily after finishing all her daily chorus. She used to worship Sri Krishna and sing bhajans in her melodious voice. Seeing this, her mother-in-law got worried and asked her to worship goddess Kali instead. However, Mira refused to do so and told them that she has already dedicated her life to Krishna. After this, Mira's in-laws weren't happy and her sister-in-law Udbai told Rana that she wasn't loyal. This made him very angry and the two reached the temple at midnight. However, they only found Mira talking alone to the idol and he shouted at her to bring out her lover. At this he pointed at the idol of Sri Krishna and said that he is the owner of Mira. Upon hearing this, Rana was upset but he still supported Mira. Mira's in-law or the new king of Chittorgarh weren't happy with her devotion or her association with either people. Therefore, he sent a basket of garlands with a snake inside to kill her. But as soon as she opened the basket, she found an idol of Krishna in between the garlands. Several other attempts were made to kill Mira, but Krishna always saved her. At one point of time, she was given a poison in the form of prasad, telling her this was Krishna's prasad. Although she knew it was poison, but she still consumed it. The poison was turned into Amrit by Sri Krishna. After this, Mira wrote a letter to Tulsidas asking his opinion. Upon this he replied that leave all those who cannot understand. Only love for God is real and all other relationships don't matter. After getting this letter, Mira left for Dwarka to worship him all her life and sing bhajans for him. After a few years, she was asked by her family to return at Chittorgarh. Was getting destroyed without her melodious voice. Upon this, she said that she has to ask permission from her husband. They waited for a few hours, but she didn't return. Upon this, everyone went to check on Mirabai, but she wasn't found inside the temple. And just the idol of Sri Krishna was kept raped in Miraj Sari. It is believed that Miraj's soul got immersed in Sri Krishna's idol forever. Actually, the love of Mira was divine and it was a true love, and it gives a lesson that if anybody loves God, then definitely he may get celebrations or meets the God in this life. And that's why we should perform meditations, adorations, or if we are unable to do this, then we must sing bhajans for Lord. And one day we can find God definitely. That is our ultimate God, and that's why we have taken birth on this earth. Thank you friends for watching this video. See you again in next video. Bye.